In this video, we'll be talking about the best side hustle anyone can do from home, and you can make thousands of dollars every month, and that is YouTube automation. And YouTube automation is the idea of creating videos and uploading them without showing your face on YouTube. And many YouTube channels have been doing this for years and are generating thousands of dollars every month. And many of these channels have millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And this is because they're creating videos people are constantly searching for and love to watch. So the first thing you should do before starting your channel is to pick a niche that people are searching videos about, because you'll rank on search and get lots of views. Niches that tend to do the best on YouTube automation channels include entertainment, cooking, celebrities, movies, and shows. Reaction channels also do very well, and it's very easy to get other people's content and you basically have to react to it. So it's very funny and very easy to make. You can use a viral video on TikTok or Instagram and basically reacting to it, and that's how you get a lot of views on your channel. After you chose your niche, you're going to need to make content, and you can either make the videos yourself using copyright-free videos and pictures from websites such as Canva, Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash, or you can outsource your videos by paying freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork to do them for you depending on your budget. It depends how much money and time you have. So if you have more time than money, then you should make your videos. And if you have more money than time, then you should pay someone to do them for you. Before hiring a freelancer, make sure you read other people's reviews about them. Once you create your channel and choose your niche, you can then start posting YouTube Shorts and long videos. We recommend posting both YouTube Shorts and long-form videos. YouTube Shorts gets you a lot of subscribers and views, and regular YouTube videos gets you your watch hours to be monetized on YouTube. You can also use YouTube Shorts to experiment the topics that you actually want to use to create your YouTube videos and to see if people are interested in a specific topic. It's also easier and faster to get lots of subscribers and views on YouTube Shorts than long YouTube videos because of its high organic reach. And YouTube is promoting Shorts because they want people to stay on their platform. It's important that when you start your YouTube channel, your goal is to rank on search instead of the recommendation feed, because it'll get you lots of views. And this will give you a good foundation for your channel. Once you rank on search, YouTube will then start recommending your content to people that are interested in your video topics, which will then increase your views. And if you want to make even more money with YouTube automation, put an affiliate link in the description and pinned comment of each of your videos. And an affiliate link is a referral of a company's product or service that earns you a commission every time someone buys from your link. This way, you can make money off of AdSense and affiliate marketing, which can double or triple your income. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure you watch the video in the description box below.